So first of all, to take the payments in your application, like to create the bills, you need to first go in your, you can say, administrative dashboard, and in the administrative dashboard you can see one function like here, create bills. So you just want to click on that, and here it is asking me for two options. Like here it is create bill for a single student. Like if you just want to take payment from a single student, not from the whole batch, then you can opt for this purpose. Like you can opt for this particular option that is asking for to create a bill for a single student. And then here it comes the create bill particularly for entire batch, like a particular group of student which belongs to some batch, and you need to take payments from that particular batch, then you can opt for this particular function. But for now I will just show first how to create a bill for a single student. So to do that, you just need to click on here, and after just clicking on that, like create student, like create a bill for a single student. So after clicking that, you will be navigated to this particular window, and here it is asking you to create a bill for individual and create a bill for a batch, and you can delete that particular bill. So that's three functions available here. So I will just click on create bill for individual first, so that we can create a bill for a single student only. So for that particular reason, first I need to select that user. Let's say I want to create a bill for Uday. So I will just click on Uday here, and then I will just name that bill. Let's say I'm just naming it as winter bill. So let's say he want to just pay a fee for winter, you can say winter batch. So I will just name it, like you can name it anything like that. And then here you can add the description of that particular bill, like for how much months you are supposed to take it. Like let's say it is a fee for 6 months or something like that. You can just give any kind of description here, and then this bill cycle comes out, like what kind of cycles you are using. This is just for yours, like your end. User will not going to see these particular things, so you can just edit it like that. So if you are just taking bill for month section, then you can go for month. If you are taking for, you can say, yearly bill, like let's say you are taking fees for a whole year, so you can just edit it as year. So it is just for your side, like you can just differentiate in between that bills. And you can do the same here, like instead of monthly you can use yearly. Then this bill status you are supposed to keep as 0 by default, so that this particular bill will be visible to them. And later if you just delete it, it will be automatically converted into another thing. So you just need to keep it like that. And after that, it is just asking like from which date I am supposed to show this particular bill. So for that you can just select that particular date and timing. Let's say I have selected this particular timing. So from this particular date, that particular bill will be appearing to him on the application. So this is how it will work. And at the same time, here is the last date, like you can select the last day of that particular payment. Like let's say I have selected this, so my bill will be visible to that particular user only for this kind of duration. So you can edit it anytime, so there is no case like that. Like after saving also you can edit these things. So this is how it will work, like start date and end date there. And then it comes the amount, like what amount you are supposed to take in that particular bill. So let's say I'm creating this bill for 10,000 rupees. So I will just put the 10,000 here. Then late charge is just like after just giving out this particular date, then we are supposed to charge him something, so that like it is just a late charges, you can say. You will get my idea. So I will just put it as 500. So if he pays after this particular date, then he have to just pay extra for that particular thing. And other charges is just like taxes. So like how much tax you are supposed to put on that particular thing. Let's say if I am just putting out some GST or something like that. So let's say I am just putting out tax here, and then I am supposed to just give the total amount, like how much amount I am supposed to take. So if you just do the addition of this particular thing, it will come out as let's say 10,700. So I will just put total amount like that, and that particular user will have to pay this amount if you just deviate, like if you just want to pay that particular thing, like whatever the amount you will do here, like you will put here, that particular amount will be visible to him on that particular application. And then grace period is just like for now it is not functional, so you just keep it like that. And if you just click on save button, then that particular user, like this particular user which I have settled as Uday, can just see that particular bill in his application in the fee management system. And you can do the same for the entire batch. Like this was for one person only, so you can do the same for the whole batch. Like you just have to select the batch, like for which batch you are supposed to do this particular thing, and you have to name it again, like bill name, then bill description will be the same, cycle will be the same, status will be the same, and here you just have to change the dates, like what, for which dates you are supposed to do this. Like everything is same, just like for the same student, like for single student you are supposed to set the same parameters for entire batch also. Just the difference is this bill will be visible to that student only, and this bill will be visible to whole batch, like whatever the amount of student that particular batch has, it will be visible to them. So you just need to do the same things, like you just need to give some basic amount, and then total amount will be the amount for which the particular bill will be created, and you just need to click on save button. So after clicking on save, that particular bill will be visible to all the students of that batch in their fee management section. So this is how you can create the bill in